Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A pink lemonade vodka drink is on our drink menu today, and here's what we need to make it. Simply lemonade and Pink Whitney vodka. Now, y'all know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it. Alright, so this only gonna take a few minutes. Make sure your Pink Whitney is cold. Even though I did put some ice in the cup, but just make sure your Pink Whitney is cold. So, when you start measuring for your guests, only get them motherfuckers a half. I'm gonna get all your stuff. This Pink Whitney is not that expensive. They need to bring their own. People don't like to bring stuff. Tell them to bring stuff. I'm gonna sit up there and drink up all your stuff. No, I'm gonna drink up all my stuff. I need something for when you leave. When I have to clean up the kitchen and the house, I have to still have something to drink. No. All right, we're gonna swirl this around a little bit. All right, pour your drinks into glasses. That's what I'm doing right here. And use frozen whole strawberries in place of ice cubes. I get excited. I like cooking, but I like drinking. Hey, go make this. This is good. And it's going to get you tipsy and drunk. Trust me. Like I said, it's the holidays. See? Those strawberries? Christmas. See, look at that. Always make two with somebody else at home. Make two. You not have to make two. You got to make everybody some of this. This is good. I don't care if it's a pink drink. And let me tell you something. It's a pink drink, but it's not a girly drink. This will knock a nigga down. This will knock a motherfucker down. So, make some for the men, too. That's good. See them strawberries? Now, the strawberries, that's your ice. So, you don't have to put ice in this because the strawberry is frozen. So, that's going to keep your drink frozen. If you want to add a little bit more Pink Whitney in here, do it. You should anyway. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.